I have a 1998 Volkswagen Jetta TDI. This is for a over-center clutch spring. Uh, and what I did is my clutch wasn't popping back up, so I thought the spring might be bad. So I took it off, and now I had to replace it and get it back on. Watching some videos and reading a lot about it, didn't seem like anybody had a good way to do it. So I think I have a good way to put it on. It took me about 15-20 seconds to replace once I got the spring in place. Here is kind of a picture of what I had. The white part, I actually replaced, and that was in the back of the clutch. This back end part was up against the firewall about a ½ inch of where it actually should be. So I have a pair of needle nose pliers, bent needle nose pliers, and basically all I did was I moved these pliers, so when I moved them, I compressed the spring. Now the problem is when I compress the spring, I need to move it about a ½ inch to the left. And so what I did was I took a screwdriver up against the firewall. I took my needle nose pliers, I compressed it, and then what I did was I just moved my screwdriver until it slipped right in place, and the spring popped right in place. Like I said, it took me about 15 seconds and ended up popping right back in. And you know, I heard people talking about using zip ties, trying to compress the spring, and that seemed like it really didn't work. This way worked very easily and didn't take much time at all, and worked well. So hopefully it'll work for you.